So during the week, someone asked me the difference between an emergency fund, a rainy day fund, and a miscellaneous fund. And after answering it, I felt like I should share this information with you, my community. Welcome to Let's Talk Money, where we discuss practical strategies to help you take control of your finances, build wealth, and create a stronger financial future. Today's episode is about free saving funds that are often confused: emergency funds, rainy day funds, and miscellaneous funds. Many people use these terms interchangeably, but they actually serve different purposes. Understanding the difference can help you prepare for life surprises without constantly dipping into the wrong savings account. Today's episode is "Do You Need All Free?" Let's find out. Before we find out, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd like you to hit the notification bell down below, select subscribe so that every new episode that comes out, you'll be the first to have it and to listen and enjoy practical ways to help you. If you love the information being shared, don't forget to share it with someone that you love and care for so they too can get practical financial tips to help them with their day to day life. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, share, and also drop a comment down in the box below so that I could communicate with you. Now, let's get right back into it. Let's find out, do you need all free? What is an emergency fund? We're going to start off with this one first. Let's start with the most important one. An emergency fund is money set aside for genuine emergencies. These are unexpected situations that could significantly impact your finances. Some examples of these are job loss, major medical expenses, emergency home repair, critical vehicle repair, family emergencies. An emergency fund is not for shopping, vacation, birthdays, Black Friday sales, and all the other sales you can think of, impulse purchases. Its purpose is financial protection. Think of it as your financial safety net. Ideally, an emergency fund should contain between 3 to 6 months of essential living expense. Now you will ask, what is a rainy day fund? A rainy day fund is different. A rainy day fund is designed for smaller, unexpected expenses that are inconvenient but not emergencies. Examples include replacing a damaged appliance, let's say like an electric kettle, a minor vehicle repair, nothing major, school projects. Yeah, and if you have children, you know we always get an unexpected school expense, last minute travel for family matters, unexpected household expenses. And when I'm talking about last minute travel for family matters, not major expenses, like probably you moving from one town to the next, one community to the next, or one state to the next, not something major where you're gonna be putting in thousands of dollars. So yes, these are the last minute travel for family matters I would be referring to. And like I said, unexpected household expenses. This situation may interrupt your budget, but they do not threaten your financial stability. A rainy day fund helps prevent small surprises from becoming financial setbacks. Many people maintain a rainy day fund of a few hundred to few $1,000s depending on their circumstances. Now we're going to look at the miscellaneous fund. What is a miscellaneous fund? Now let's talk about the miscellaneous fund. This is often the most overlooked fund. A miscellaneous fund is money set aside for irregular expenses that you know will happen but cannot predict exactly when. Examples are gifts, special events, school activities. We don't want to talk about that one. Right now, it's becoming a regular expense. clothing purchases, home supplies, small unexpected opportunities. Example, let's say another one can be cooking gas. Depends on how you use it. You can't predict exactly when it's going. These expenses are not emergencies. They are simply part of life. You need it to survive. A miscellaneous fund helps you avoid consistently adjusting your budget every time something unexpected but ordinary arises. Why most people struggle financially? Many people have only one saving account. As a result, a birthday gift comes up, they use emergency savings. The vehicle need a repair, let's say change the brakes, they use emergency savings. The refrigerator stop working, they use emergency savings. Eventually, the emergency fund disappears. The problem isn't always a lack of saving. Sometimes it is simply a lack of organization. When every expense comes from one account, it becomes difficult to maintain financial stability. How the free funds work together. Let's discuss that. Think of these free funds as layers of protection. So, layer one, the miscellaneous fund, handles life's routine surprises, gifts, activities, small purchases, irregular expenses. Layer two, rainy day fund, handles moderate, unexpected costs. Examples appliance replacement, minor repairs, unexpected travel. And layer three, emergency fund handles major financial crisis, job loss, major medical issues, significant emergencies. Each fund has a specific purpose. Together, they create financial stability. So here's what, start small. If you do not currently have all three funds, don't feel discouraged. Start where you are. For example, you can start by building a miscellaneous fund, and your target can be $250 to $500. Doesn't need to be much because it's a miscellaneous, just for small stuff that do come up, but they're not that often. Then we build a rainy day fund. And for the rainy day fund, you can target from $1,000 to 3,000 because this is rainy day funds. My kettle go bad, my electric kettle go bad, I can just go and replace it. And then you build an emergency fund. Remember, for the emergency fund, you're going to target 3 to 6 months of expenses. Remember, you do not need to build all three overnight. Small, consistent contributions create meaningful results. As we close today's episode, let's remember 4 principles that support every financial goal: gratitude, contentment, faith, discipline. Appreciate what you already have while working towards more. Avoid unnecessary spending and comparison. Trust the process and stay committed even when progress feels slow. The most important ingredient in building financial security: small, consistent actions create long term success. Discipline. So, do you need an emergency fund, a rainy day fund, and a miscellaneous fund? The answer is yes. Each serves a different purpose. Each protects your finance in a different way. And together, they help you avoid financial stress and build greater peace of mind. Remember, a rainy day is not an emergency. A miscellaneous expense is not a rainy day. And your emergency fund should remain reserved for true emergencies. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Let's Talk Money. And until next time, practice gratitude, choose contentment, walk in faith, live with discipline. Don't forget, POP. plan, organize, budget. Until next time, bye bye.